Unveiling the meaning, the writings on the wall. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing phrase, the writings on the wall. Have you ever come across this expression and wondered what it truly means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The writings on the wall is a popular English idiom that signifies a clear warning or indication that something bad or undesirable is about to happen. It's used when the evidence of a forthcoming negative event is so apparent that it should be easy for anyone to recognize. Interestingly, the phrase doesn't imply physical writing on a wall but points to signs or omens that predict the future events. The origin of the writings on the wall can be traced back to a biblical story in the book of Daniel. During a grand feast by King Belshazzar, a mysterious hand appeared and wrote a message on the palace wall, foretelling the downfall of the king's reign. Despite the ominous warning, the king couldn't understand the writing until the prophet Daniel interpreted it for him, predicting the end of Belshazzar's kingdom. This story is where the idiom gets its literal and metaphorical significance, symbolizing an unavoidable future that is predicted by clear signs. Now, let's talk about how to use the writings on the wall in your daily language. It's perfect for situations where you want to express that the outcome of a particular scenario seems inevitable, based on the current signs or evidence. For example, when discussing a company facing bankruptcy due to continuous losses, you might say, considering their financial reports, the writing's on the wall for them. In a sports game where one team is significantly outperforming the other, with such a huge lead, the writing's on the wall for the losing team. Remember, the phrase carries a somewhat ominous tone, so it's typically used in contexts predicting unfavorable outcomes. And that wraps up our exploration of the writings on the wall. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and origins of this fascinating phrase for you. It's a powerful expression that conveys inevitability and forewarning, rooted deeply in historical narratives. Next time you see the clear signs of how a situation will unfold, you might just think of this idiom. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the English language in our next video. Keep learning, and see you soon.